In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to build on your roof in MeepCity. Firstly, head to your house in MeepCity and enter your estate like you normally would. Make sure you're using a larger estate like the Estate Plus or Castle Estate, as they give you more build space. Once inside, click the Edit or Build button and select the Edit mode, which allows you to place or move furniture and decorations. MeepCity doesn't allow roof access by default, so you'll need to glitch onto the roof using these tricks. Place a tall item like a wardrobe or stacked couches next to the wall near your door. Use these items to jump and climb up to the ceiling. From there, angle your avatar to hop through the roof. Stack multiple large furniture items from a ladder to the roof and jump from a piece to piece until you pop through the ceiling onto the roof. Once on the roof, go back to your build mode, and now you can place items directly on the roof while standing up there. You can add chairs, tables, lights, anything in your inventory. Just a tip, some items may float or glitch slightly. Use flat objects or wall panels to stabilize your builds.